Today we are going to see exercise 6.3 second sum. In the given figure, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Angle BOC is equal to 125 degree. Angle BOC. So this angle is 125 degree. And angle CDO equal to 70. CDO, this angle is 70. Find angle DOC. DOC, this angle, and DCO, this angle, and OAB, this angle, this angle, and this angle they were asking. Okay children, so here DOC plus BOC equal to 180 degrees. See, suppose here there is a line and here one angle. So here this angle is given as 125. We need to find out this angle. So how will you find? So here this angle forms a linear pair. Linear pair means sum of its addition of both the angles you will be getting as 180 degree. So DOC plus BOC is equal to 180. DOC, this angle, DOC plus BOC, this angle plus this angle together, it is a linear pair 180 degree because angle in a straight line. So here BOC is given as 125. 125 when you transpose minus 125. So 180 minus 125 is 55. Now in triangle DOC, angle DOC plus angle ODC plus DCO. So from this, now we've got a triangle here on the top. So on the top you got a triangle, so in which you know this angle and this angle, you have to find out this angle. So by using angle sum property of a triangle, you can find out, see here, angle O plus angle D plus angle C is equal to 180. So angle DOC is given as 55. We got DOC is 55 and ODC is already given as 70. We need to find out DCO, angle C, which is equal to 180. So when you add these two, you will be getting 125. 125 when you transpose 180 minus 125 is equal to 55. So we got DCO is equal to 55. So now these two triangles, triangle ODC and triangle OBA. Triangle ODC and triangle OBA are similar triangles. Therefore angle OAB, so here this angle OAB is equal to angle DCO, or else you can see these two are parallel lines. If it is parallel, here they have not given parallel but they have given it is similar. Similar means the corresponding angles are equal. So here this corresponding angle of C is equal to A. So here see here O D B C A. So here if C is 55, A is also 55, since angles, corresponding angles are equal in a similar triangle. So angle A and angle C are 55. Angle O and angle DOC, what does mean by angle DOC? DOC you got already as 55. So what is OAB? OAB is also 55. Okay, so you can write it in any manner. So here we got all the angles DOC, DCO and OAB. Now coming to the next part, diagrams AC and BD. Now question number 3, diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at a point O. Using a similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA by OC equal to OB by OD. So there is a trapezium ABCD and the diagonals intersect at O and they have given AB is parallel to DC, AB is parallel to DC. So here if AB is parallel to DC, that and all given, diagonals AC and BD intersect at O, AB parallel to DC, this is given, and what is to prove that you can copy from the question. So now we are going to take two triangles here, AOB and COD. AOB and COD, in which here angle 1 is equal to angle 2, since alternate angles, two lines are parallel and this acts as a transversal. So by EZ formation you get alternate angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So if two pairs of angles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. Triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Then the corresponding sides are proportional. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So here you can write it easily. AO by CO is equal to first to first to. Similarly here first and last. OB by OD, corresponding sides of similar triangles. AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. Now coming to next fourth question. In the given figure, this is given and this is given. We have to prove that the two triangles are similar. So what is given, you write it, and what is to prove, that also you can copy from the question, and diagram is also given, that again you can draw in the exam. Now in triangle PQR, so in this triangle PQR, in this angle 1 is equal to angle 2, sides opposite to equal angles. That is already given. Then if two angles are equal, then the sides opposite to two angles are also equal. Okay, so opposite to 2 is PQ and opposite to 1 is PR. So PQ is equal to PR, that is sides opposite to equal angles. Here this angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is given. So now coming to next part, here OP, this is given. What is given? QR by QS is equal to QT by PR, which implies, so here what we are doing is QR you write as it is, and QS you write as it is, QT you write as it is, and this PR can be written as PQ because already in the previous part we have proved. So you keep this since PQ is equal to PR. Now in triangle PQS and triangle PQR, what are the corresponding sides? Here QR by QS, QR by QS is equal to first to QT by PQ, QT by PQ. So now this is proved. Now here QR by QT, QS, how we got here QS as QT? Here we are transposing, we are interchanging the values. QR by QT is equal to QS by QP. Now from this already angle 1 and angle 1 in this triangle, see here in this triangle PQS, in this triangle PQS and TQR, what we have to prove, that two triangle you have to take. So PQS and TQR, smaller triangle and bigger triangle, in which here already we have proved QR by QS is equal to QT by PQ, proved above, isn't it? Now and angle 1 is equal to angle, here we are transposing, angle 1 is equal to angle 1. Why angle 1 is equal to angle 1? See here, for PQS, here Q is an angle, and for PQS Q is an angle, and for TQR Q is also an angle for TQR. So both has a common angle Q. What is the angle Q? They have mentioned as 1. So angle 1 and angle 1 is common here. Therefore by side angle is side. See here, by side angle side criteria, these two triangles are similar by side angle side. By side angle side, side angle side. You can see in the diagram also QT, QR by QT. So here QR by QT. So here this side and angle Q and this side. So by side angle side criteria, you will be getting the two triangles are similar. Next, fifth question. S and T are points on the sides PR and QR of a triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that a triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. So in those two triangles, whatever we have to prove, that two triangles you can take, and what is given, angle P is equal to angle RTS, that you write it as given. ஈஸியாக என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அதை எழுதிட்டாலே அதுலேயே மார்க் அடிச்சிடும். இங்கே என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, that you write it as given. Then anything common is there or not, you check. RPQ. So here angle R, then RTS, there also angle R. So angle R is equal to angle R common. Therefore these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. Here simply we will be using only AA similarity in this exercise. For all the maximum number of problems we will be using AA similarity. Only in some of the problem we used to use SAS and all. Okay children, thank you.